Hey guys, in this video we're reviewing the Wave accounting software, a free cloud-based tool for small businesses, freelancers and entrepreneurs. But how does it actually work, and is it good enough compared to paid accounting software? Let's go ahead and break it down. So what is Wave accounting? Wave is an online accounting platform that helps small businesses track income, expenses and invoices without charging monthly fees. It's designed for entrepreneurs who need the basics of bookkeeping without the price tag of premium tools like QuickBooks or Xero. Now let's talk about how it works. After signing up for a free account, you can connect your bank accounts and credit cards to automatically import transactions. From there, you can create and send invoices, track payments, record expenses, and even generate key reports like profit and loss statements. Another important feature is Wave add-ons. While the core accounting invoicing features are free, Wave also offers paid services like payroll and payment processing. This makes it flexible. You only pay if you need those extras. Of course, there are trade-offs. Because it's free, Wave doesn't have as many advanced features as larger platforms have. So some users find reporting and integration limited, and customer support isn't as robust as paid competitors. Larger businesses with complex needs may outgrow it quickly. So who benefits most from Wave? If you're a freelancer, solopreneur, or small business owner looking for simple free accounting software, Wave is a great choice. But if your business is scaling and needs advanced tools or dedicated support, you may need to upgrade to a paid platform down the road. To wrap it up, Wave Accounting is one of the best free options for managing small business finances. It's simple, accessible, and cost effective, perfect for starting out, but not built for heavy duty accounting.